We go to other news now. Even with the announcement this week that parliamentarians will be allocated money to help address the garbage problems in various constituencies, the situation is becoming untenable in sections of Western Jamaica. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Cousins Cove in Hanover, this garbage pileup is almost as high as Rasdale's clothing store.
Them bigger than puss. You want to see the rat them how them big?
So the rat them, you're saying them
bigger than puss, brother. You see how them a jump on it, so I ramp with them one another. You kill a generation this week and next week in another generation born. So we don't know how we are going to get rid of them. Because I'm tired for true rat poisoning.
And frustration is growing.
See the rat them a dig down the whole of my shop side there, so I try to put cement there, but them still find a way and I dig down the whole thing. And end up, you see that shop over there, so I did there in that, and I rat and mash it up. Them dig out the whole of the bottom, you don't have no more bottom. So you see right now, my shop become like I same thing out for reach my shop.
Situations like these can be seen in several communities in Western Jamaica. Public health officials are concerned.
We are fearing the outbreak of leptospirosis in communities. Presently, we are seeing an increase in gastroenteritis across the country in various regions. And yes, gastroenteritis is caused by a bacterial virus or a virus. In children, it's caused by the rotavirus. In adults, by the norovirus.
In Parliament on Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the allocation of $5 million to members of Parliament to address the issue of poor garbage collection in their constituencies.
A maximum of $2 million can be reallocated from this area, but I encourage members of Parliament not to do the reallocation, but to spend the $5 million on cleaning up as much as you can your constituency.
Additionally, the 50 garbage trucks which were purchased to boost the NSWMA's fleet should be in the island soon. The Prime Minister also said further allocation will be made to bring in more new trucks.
Even in lieu of that, Madam Speaker, even acknowledging that a new plan is close to fruition, I'm still not satisfied. I'm still very much concerned about the level of municipal waste that we see on our streets.
Meanwhile, Mr. Miles says until the situation is addressed, public health inspectors will continue to get resistance from community members who are not convinced that the inspectors are doing enough to address the problem.
Community members see them as change agents. And with the challenge of the pile-up on the curbs and in the community, they feel that the public health inspectors are letting them down. And so, yes, we would have gotten reports of members being verbally abused by community members.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.